Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another topic in Facebook ads, and that is how to customize your Facebook and Instagram shop through the e-commerce and manager section of Facebook ads account. As you know, in the last video I have told you about how to create an Instagram and Facebook shop through the help of Shopify backend. But now the scenario is different. Now we need to customize that shop. So we need to use our e-commerce manager section. With the help of that, we can customize our shop so that it can visible to visitor according to our guidelines. So in today's video I will let you know how to do it. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the Facebook ad dashboard. Thank you so much. Hi guys, as you know, today our topic is how to make changes in the Facebook and Instagram shop with the help of e-commerce manager section in the FB ads account. So in today's video I will let you know how to do it. So for doing the same, first of all we just need to go to the all tool section, and after go to the all tool section, you have seen we have different type of options here, and we just need to go to the commerce manager section. Okay, and I will click on it and open it in a separate tab. And once I go to the commerce manager section, it will showcase us the Shopify catalog which we have created through the Shopify backend, and we need to click on it. And once we click on it, it will take some time. And now it's taking time to load. Now as you can see, our Shopify, as you can say, a shop is already created. We just need to check whether our Shopify shop is created correctly or not. As you can see, we have our Shopify shop is created through the commerce manager section of Facebook ads account, and the shop is already live. We just need to click on the view live shop to make some changes in the same, and we can also click on the edit shop button as well. I will click on the edit shop, and once I click on it, the shop will be showcased here. As you can see, this is the same you can say scenario how our shop is shown on Instagram account on your mobile and on the Facebook page of your mobile. And as you can see, we have all the shop here. It is a generic shop which we have created through the Shopify backend. And now the main part is coming. If you want to make some changes in it, like if you want to create different collections and showing it some in different way, you can do it here. You can add a new collection so that it will showcase in a different way, and the product will be number wise showcased to the visitor. Okay, like I don't want to do that, but if you want to, you can create a new ad collection, because if I'll do it, my shop is discard and the new one is created. So I will so you just need to click on the ads collection, and then you will change which product you want to show at the top and which product you don't want to show. You can click it through by creating a new collection. And if you show some offer or hero image or banner, you can do it from here. If you change some banners here, you can do it from here, promo banners. You can also add some you can say if you are giving some offers on a particular product, you can show them in the promo banner as well. Okay, so this is how we can make some changes in our like Instagram and Instagram and Facebook shop. It is an organic shop which will be shown on the Facebook page and Instagram page. You just need to go to this commerce manager section, and then you can make some changes from here. Okay, and after that there are some other options we have in the setting sections, like inventory. If you want to change the inventory, okay, you can do it from this you can say option. And as you can see, now we have all the inventory. You can change it from here. If you want to tag some content, if you don't want someone to tag your content, you can say check off this. It will help us to enhance your shop by automatically showing photos and videos tagged with product on your shop. This will only shows content from posts that has been tagged by Facebook or Instagram account that your shop is associated with. If you don't want that, you can check this off. Okay, and after that we have the option of website content. Here you can change the content, like what kind of you can say content you want on your shop, so you can change it from here. It will automatically update from your website. If you don't want to automatically update your shop through directly from the website, you can check this off and put it manually you can set up a shop here. Okay, and after that it is a new option. It is a AI one, so it is not using currently, like it is basically a keyword, and I don't know about that much, but yes, this is basically used for if you want to optimize your shop, you can do it from here. That as you know, you already know about what AI feature is doing. Okay, and after that we have the categorize option. You can categorize your navigation bar. If you want all the products shows in without categorizing them, you can check this off. But if you want all the products show categories wise, you need to choose this option. And after that we have the automation option, and automation option is used for automatically show your collection on storefront that are created based on festive event popular combination. It is a AI generated. If Facebook thinks some kind of festival is coming, so it will showcase your offer directly on your shop. So this kind of stuff will be done here. If you want that, you can use this option, otherwise you can check this off. So after choosing all the option, you just need to publish the update, and then your Facebook and Instagram shop will be updated according to your choices which you have made through these options. So this is how we can make some adjustment in our Facebook and Instagram shop and do some stuff like that. If you want some you change things, if you don't want your shop directly put all the content from your website, you can do it from home. So as I have told you all the options, so if you think you want to use any of them, you can do it from here. So thank you so much for watching my video.